Core values, maka-Diyos, makatao, makakalikasan, at makabansa is the national motto of the Philippines, derived from the last four lines of the Pledge of Allegiance to the Philippine flag. It was adopted on February 12, 1998, the flag and heraldic code of the Philippines during the presidency of Fidel V. Ramos. Maka-Diyos, it means showing love, commitment, and passion for God, and expressing spiritual beliefs while respecting the beliefs of other religions.
Spirit, lead me where my trust is without borders. Let me walk upon the waters wherever you call me. Take me where I
Makatao is a Filipino term that means being a good person who works for the common good and is not selfish.
Saan po tayo? Siguro uwi na tayo. Libre, may libre. May pagkain ba kayo? Wala na rin akong...
Ikaw ba gano'n?
Pagkain, bawang kape.
Pagkain lang po.
Ito na lang kaya ko ibigay, kuya?
Ito po.
Pagkain. Pagkabusog ka po.
Salamat po. Ito po.
Kawawa na rin yung bata, wala na makakain. Ano, uwi na tayo.
Makakalikasan, it means for attitude of a person who has love for our country and cares about the environment for the good of nature.
Boy, mukhang maganda din, oh. Tara, mag-picture tayo. Tara. So yun, men. Napansin nyo ba ang daming kalat dito sa... Tara mag-inis. Tara mag-inis tayo. Kaya sabay mag-picture tayo dito. One, two, three.
Makabansa, showing love and respect for the Philippine flag and singing the national anthem of the Philippines and recognizing the heroes who give their lives for the freedom of our country.
Ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.